In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Figma design with a client. Sharing your work properly is a big part of any design process, and Figma makes this surprisingly simple once you know where everything is. I'll walk you through the whole flow, step by step, so you can confidently send your files to a client without worrying that they'll accidentally edit something or get lost in your project. First, log into your Figma account in your browser or open the desktop app. Once you're on your Figma dashboard, you'll see all your projects and files. Take a moment to locate the specific project or file you want to share with your client. This might be a dedicated client project or just a single file where you're keeping all your design explorations. Click on that project or file to open it in the Figma editor. Now that you're inside the editor, you'll see the file panel on the left side of the screen. This panel lists all the pages and frames within your file. Here, decide which part of the project your client actually needs to see. In many cases, you'll want them to view the main design page, your latest mockups, or a specific frame that represents the final direction. Select the relevant page or frame, just so you're clear on what you're about to share. Next, look over to the right side of the screen, where the Properties panel is. At the top right corner of the Figma interface, you'll see the Share button. Go ahead and click that. A pop-up window will appear with your sharing options. In this pop-up, find the section labeled Who Has Access. Change the setting to Anyone with the link or the equivalent option that allows access via a link. This ensures your client doesn't need a specific Figma account invite to view the design. Right below that, set the permission level to Can View. This is important because it lets your client look at the design and add comments, but it prevents them from editing your work or accidentally moving things around. Once those settings are in place, look to the top right of the same pop-up and click Copy Link. That copies a shareable link to your clipboard. You can now paste this link into an email, a message, a project management tool, or wherever you typically communicate with your client. And that's it. Your client can open the link, review the design, and leave feedback, while your original file stays safe and under your control.